Hey, hi everyone. I hope all of you can hear me and see me. If you all can, please do let me know. Okay. Good morning, Seema. So again, just remember that the chat is towards this side. Okay. Hi, Tarun. I hope now that everyone has recorded his or her own video, has edited the video also, and is fine today for going to upload for the first time. If you haven't still, don't worry about it. Just learn this stuff. And if you're waiting for some of your gadgets to come, or if you're still planning what type of content, or you're not happy with your video recording as of now, it's okay. Just learn the process, understand the basics, understand the what are the prerequisites for it, what are the next steps that we are going to take, and then try to apply it later on when you are done with your video upload, sorry, video record and video edit. Okay. That's a very good thing, Mystic, if you know about how to post video. Okay, and hi everyone. Sir, why was a group created? Okay, the group was created for asking your doubt and for general work, this related stuff, anything, any notification comes like that. Okay. Okay, so I hope that all of you, okay, first of all, please, I'm reading the chat now, beta. Okay, can you all let me know who all have got their video recorded completely? Recording is completely done. I know many of you have got a YouTube channel now. Isn't it so? Okay, good morning. And I'm literally, okay, gaming with gamer, unique performance. Your reply I didn't give you. Okay, I'll give you, don't worry about it. Very good. A lot of you have completed this. Okay. How many of you have edited the video? Okay. For those who cannot install DaVinci, I told to go for Windows Movie Editor or Windows Movie Maker if you are using Windows 7. But for otherwise, you can still go with Filmora, Wondershare, and the only thing it will be having a like a bar, correct? So avoid it. It's okay for us to understand. We are understanding the process. So when you understand the process, you don't worry about a lot of details, because once the process is completed, once you understand that you are enjoying this stuff, you can later on upgrade things, and then it sounds reasonable to even upgrade that kind of thing. I hope you understand the point. Okay, I hope so. Okay, so in short, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll do a in short. I'll also do a U cut. Fine. Let me see which I can combine that in which video. Okay, I'll teach you that. Bhavin, you are repeating the same thing. I hope you remember just once. Okay, now most of you have got it done. Now most of you have already got your video recorded and edited. Let's begin with the video upload now. Okay, so I hope you all remember I had created this video the last time. Yes. So this was the video that I created last time, and I was thinking, hey, it looks fine to me, and now I'm going to upload this on my YouTube channel, which is Jimmy.practically wala channel, and it is Jimmy.a, Jimmy A basically, because I didn't give it a proper custom channel name. I also told you that you people can go and give a channel custom name, and you can design your own name. That is crazy thing. So yeah, now we are going to do this. You can only see chat box. Is it now fine? Okay, then it is okay. Fine. Thanks for letting me know that you can only see the chat box. Okay, so we are going to upload this video today. So first of all, we are going to open which thing? Yes, my YouTube. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, and this is what I'm going to upload. Okay, so all of you must have your own YouTube channel like this. To upload any video, there are two ways of doing it. Okay, you either open youtube.com and then you click on your name. If you have a picture there, if you have already put when we creating the channel in the first video, then it is fine. You go to your channel. Once you go to your channel, your video, your whole this thing will come up. You can create or upload video from this button. Okay, But sometimes this button will go away after uploading the first video. So you can always click on this create button. This is why I said create video or upload video. These terms are used interchangeably. So you click on this button beta and you click on upload video. Don't click on go live. Go live is a session we are going to do next Monday. I mean the upcoming Monday. Okay. So we have to click on upload video from here, which will be always available, and this will be available for first video since I have 0 videos as of now. Do you all understand this part? Okay. So let me see the chat. Wait. I hope now you people are still seeing. Yeah, correct. Okay. Okay, now all of you understand. I can click on this. I'll go to this page of YouTube Creator Studio and it will show me this upload videos. Either I can drag and drop or I can click on the select files button and I can find it in my computer system. And this will all be done using a computer as of now. The mobile interface can be used, but we are not using as of now. Though mobile will have the similar button, it will have this create button and upload video again. You can use your mobile phone video itself to upload directly. Okay. Now, for now, let me just make you understand that I'm not doing this way. I have to show you each and every way so that you are familiar with it. I can click on upload video here and it will still bring me back to the same page. Cool, isn't it? Now, the last one more way. So there is one simple way of doing it. You can either go to your studio directly by typing studio.youtube.com. So what's the name? Studio.youtube.com and you enter. You will jump to your main creators studio. Now this is a place you will be mostly going on. I will explain it in a very much detail after some 3-4 sessions maybe, and I will tell you each one topic what it is. But for this, for our purpose, you can again click on upload videos. Again, this is available because it's the first time. But now you can click on content and then you can again click on upload videos. Or again, this create button is so much brighter now, not that small clicky one like this one. See, it is not red and all. This is much brighter here. So you can click on create and you can click on upload videos again. I hope you understood all the ways of uploading your videos. That is the first thing. Okay, beta. Now you can click on select files. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag and drop. So this is my first project. I'm going to take this. Remember, as soon as you drop it, it starts to upload. It is not asking you to whether you want to upload yes or no. YouTube doesn't do it. So the moment I will drag and drop on it, it will just start to upload there. You will see this. Click and it begins. It's not asking me whether you want or not. You can see this is the place where it is showing uploading and it is uploading faster. The file was smaller and also the net is quick, very much good. Okay. So if the net is not that fast, it will take a little more time. If the file is very large, it will take a more time. I will teach you something so that you can compress your file without reducing the quality also. That is also I'll teach you in this only. So please pay attention. You are going to learn one very good software also. I'll teach you a lot of things today. So hopefully you will be able to understand. Now once this upload is done, this will show you upload complete. The moment it is showing you upload complete, it's not that the video is live. It's not. There are many things which have to be done before going and making this video available to the people, to the viewers. You are the creator now, isn't it? So before you do that, you have to first understand that this will take a little bit time, then it starts to process. The processing is not what you control. Now listen about this thing. YouTube processing is a way of making YouTube available your video in different resolutions. So like 144 pixel, 240, 360, 480, 720 or full HD, or if you have gone to quad HD or full 4K. Okay. So if you have gone to 4K or 2K 4K, you have to break down everything. So it takes a little bit time. Listen very carefully now. Please listen. When you upload a video, it is broken down into many resolutions. Now YouTube does not do it at all at once. It first makes a standard that is SD. Okay. So it's like a standard resolution, just 144, 240 and 360 kind of. Then it moves to the HD resolutions like the 720 and 1080p. So first it needs to create these things, and it depends on a lot of things like how many videos are uploaded at the same time from many different countries, from many different servers. They are in a pipeline. Now YouTube takes one of them and it starts to process it. Sometimes this processing can just take like 1.5 minutes to even like more than 1 day sometimes to completely give all the resolutions. Like the basic resolution will be available beta, but not the complete resolutions. Okay, so this is why this processing should be left to it, and you don't control it, and you can't control it actually. Now once this processing is done, this is a new feature of checking. Before this, before like this month, it was not there. It has been just now 20 odd days, I guess so, in which this feature has come into it. Okay, now checking is something it does to check whether you have used some pirated content, okay, or you are using some audio which is not Creative Commons license. What is Creative Commons license? Which can be used publicly without a copyright issue. So you are not using a song more than 10 seconds. So you can't use any song for less than 10 seconds. After that, it becomes a copyright issue. So you cannot put a complete song created by T Series or someone else, or by Yash Raj, whatever. Okay, so then if you do that, it becomes a copyright, and your video will be demonetized, your video will be blocked, or your whole channel will go into that blocking state. You'll get a copyright strike. More about it later. But for this to not to happen, YouTube has installed some kind of algorithm, the new algorithm, which checks it before even if it goes to the real world. So this is what it is doing. It is checking my video for a lot of things, and if it will have some trouble, it will show me here. For that moment it is doing this, and it is telling you there are some minutes left. Don't worry about this. This minutes will keep on changing. Sometimes it will show you 10 minutes, it will finish in 1, it will show you 1, and it might take 10. Don't worry about this. So what you all have to do is you have to understand your title. Now title is the most important part of any video. So whenever you upload a video, it has to be some specific topic. Let's say you are telling how to create your own YouTube channel, okay, or you are uploading how to make biryani, or how to dance in the finger style, or how to do popping, or how to sing, or you're singing a song. Say you're singing Here I Am by Bryan Adams. Okay, that's an English song, but it's a very good song. So you're singing Here I Am. So you're writing Here I Am, and you're writing your name, and you're writing Bryan Adams song, like that. Okay, or Here I Am cover. So this is how you write the title. So this is my first video. I'm just writing like my first video because I have just nothing else. But what if I want this to be searchable? Now this is the most important part. Whatever title you select, okay, one more thing. If you are still sending me something, you are just being stupid. The reason is I'm not reading it, and I won't read it unless I finish explaining this part. So I would suggest you, please have patience. I told you build two things, patience and listening ability. So start doing that. Okay, so now you see this is my first video. I know this is my first video, but no person is going to search my first video. You get my point? But I know this is something called training. So I can tell like basic editing video. I can say this. Now someone must be searching basic editing maybe, and he will find this, or basic learn editing kind of thing. So I have taught some learn editing stuff. So learn editing. Now I can add this single bar. It will just keeps a differentiator, and it's like a full stop, but we don't use a full stop here. We avoid using full stop in titles. So we use a single bar. It will be in your keyboard only. Now then you can write learn editing from where? So you are using DaVinci. So I am using DaVinci Resolve. Okay. Now someone is searching for, let's suppose, DaVinci Resolve, and he wants to learn editing. This video can pop up into his search. Maybe not directly as of now, because it has to be like first ranked as per the YouTube algorithm, search engine. It will not come directly in the first go, but it will come sooner or later. Okay. Then you are also doing this stock videos. So you can write stock videos. Why? Because I use some stock videos from Mixkit. Remember how I made this? Stock videos and stock audio. Now this is how I got it. Now you see that this is my title. I can still add it. There is a limit of 100 words only. So you cannot go more than 100 words. So you have to be very much sure about it. A trick. Let's suppose I have to search. Let's say I search here. I got it. Here I am. Suppose Here I Am is a song by Bryan Adams, but it is still not showing me. So Here I Am, Bryan Adams. Now you see I got Here I Am, Bryan Adams. You get it? Now if you notice, Here I Am, Bryan Adams, if I search, what shall I get? Let me see. So I will get the first one. I will get so many. Here I am, here I am, here I am. There is no here I am like cover. Someone must have read it. So if I go and type cover, let me see what other people have used. Here I am, Bryan Adams, Frank Horton cover. So he is using his name and he is writing the title like this. Now it is his first. Now here I am, Bryan Adams song cover by Tricia Zimmins. Now again she is writing her name. I hope you understand the various ways of doing it. So here I am, Bryan Adams cover. This is an Indian guy. So now here I am, Bryan Adams. He's just writing like that. So if I write cover, it will give me this feature that my video will also be available in the same name way. You get it? Amrish Shetty Mandeep, can you stop for this time, because that question I told you will come now. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Today it is going to be answered. Now, what happens now if you are using, say, how to cook, let's say if you want to learn, say dancing, learn dancing, learn dance. Now this, say, most of this will be like the videos of dance step for beginners. Now if you search, what do you get? Basic dance steps for everyone. Can you see he used a single bar, 3 simple moves, bar, practice every day, bar, his name, and which is the party. Now you see the number of views he has got. This means that his was obviously being searched a lot. Now you see again the next one, dance tutorial for 3 to 7 kids, 5 basic steps, bar, his name again, like that way. You get it, the point? Now most of them people are using the same way, and see, this guy's videos are coming so much compared to other, because he is using the correct titles and he is using the correct way of writing it. I hope now you will use the correct way of writing it. You get the point? Okay. Now once this is done, you have to come for description. Description are a very important part, but for now I am just telling you, you write something what it is exactly the people should know. And I told you in my second or third class, I think so second class, when I was talking about great content, I said that if you cannot summarize your content in like one line or in that one sentence, this means you are not sure of what the video is about. You should be able to do that. And if it is so, I should be able to tell my viewer what about this video is. So I can say, learn basic video editing. Although this video is not that, because I didn't record my video editing steps, but I'm just telling you, learn basic video editing through DaVinci or using DaVinci Resolve. Although this video is not that, but I have taught you, but I didn't recorded my steps, correct? Let me just say it if this is the thing. Now this becomes my first line and it will be shown to all the users whenever they search it, like this. See what he has written. Make sure you subscribe my channel because I'm going to upload new video. Thanks for watching. About dance, we are a dance and fitness studio. This is the first line they are using. If you're a girl and you don't know how to dance, this video is for you. Now you are just going to read this. Oh, okay, this is for me if I do not know how to dance. Okay. So see, this is how you're going to say, learn basic video editing using DaVinci Resolve. Once it is done, you can go ahead and you can add a lot of things. You can add your, like hit subscribe. Okay. You can write like hit subscribe for more such videos. Okay. Now you can even go and write your, okay, Insta link, Instagram. Okay. Follow us on like that. Follow us on. Okay, you are pushing the user, your viewer, to like you somewhere else also. So Instagram, you can go and paste your Instagram link, Facebook, like that. Okay, or Twitter, wherever you are. Now once it is done, you feel like it is okay. There are these things. Now you must have noted there are hashtags comes on your video name. Have you seen those things? So okay, why did I go incognito? Because I wanted to use my personal Gmail ID on a public computer. I won't be doing that on a public computer. I won't be logging in through a normal Gmail interface. I'll be using incognito. So once I close it, everything is gone. You get it? Just for that. Okay. Be smart. Okay. So now this is the thing. You add hashtag beta and you add like, okay, this is about editing. Remember one very important point. After hashtag writing, if you put a space, it is not going to be shown in that hashtag. It becomes a new thing. So it is not shown. So never use something. So let's suppose I am saying it is about DaVinci Resolve. So I cannot write DaVinci Resolve by writing this way. No, I have to write DaVinci Resolve like this way only. Now these hashtags, when I will upload and I will show you, will appear. You cannot add more than 3 hashtags in a single video. Okay, we cannot add more than 3 hashtags. Hashtags are a way to make your content visible faster. More about it in the next session, how it works and all those things. It's about in the next session to increase your reach, not here. Thumbnail. Now in general, whenever you upload a video, YouTube itself tries to give you 3 options to select. So you can either use this thumbnail or this thumbnail. It looks very good. But what if you want your own custom thumbnail? Yes, you can. I will talk about it after some minutes. And if not today, then tomorrow for sure. But yes, you can upload your own thumbnail. Now the next thing is playlist. Now this playlist tells me that whether I need to put it in a separate way where I can just watch all these videos together. So I can go and create a new playlist. I can say this is about editing skills. I am teaching editing, so I'm editing skills. Okay. So I'm creating a playlist called editing skills. I'm making it public so that all the people can see it. I'm creating create. Now once it is done, I have to click the tick mark. Now this video will go into the playlist of editing skills. You get it now? Okay. Now what you see is this is the point where it will not even let you move. You see this? I cannot go anywhere. You see, if I want to jump anywhere, I cannot. It won't let me. Why so? Because it has stopped me to decide this first. This is something you need to answer. Now listen to this very, very carefully. And this is where there is a lot of trouble. You at this point will be asked to tell whether it is made for kids. Something which is made for kids is for very young kids, less than 13 years of age and all. And it is no obscene content, no vulgar language, no bad language, foul language, or any kind of material which is for not for kids. So once you say yes, it is made for kids, it means that it will be used by kids. Okay, so that you are sure that kids, if watch, they won't see anything. Let's suppose. Okay, but this will make this video having no comment section. The comment section will be blocked even if you go live with this or you upload this. You get the point? You will never be able to make any comment or put any comment on these videos. If it is yes, it's made for kids. If more about it, you can go and read here. Okay, so this will be recommended to children's videos, but you are not making this for a children video. So you say no, it's not made for kids. You get it? No, it is not made for kids. It's okay. So if it is not made for kids, then you can comment and everything will happen. Okay. Okay. I am still asking you not to comment anything and ask anything. I think you should keep patience and listen. Okay. Fine. Now you click age restriction. If you want this to restrict to now viewers over 18 or not over 18. Again, you are saying it's not for kids, but are you telling me this has no bad language? If it has bad language, then it is over 18 content. So restrict my videos to viewer over 18. I think you people are not going to make any video like that. After learning from me, please don't make those videos. Don't use any foul language in your video. It doesn't give you any skill set. It's just weird way of saying things. So you said no, don't restrict my video, whatever, and then you just close it and then you show more. Now here is where this paid promotion is not you are going to do as of now, so I'm skipping it. I will teach you this when I will teach you making money. Then I will teach you again this part, not now. Now tags you can add. Now tags just tells the YouTube how to search. There is one another way. I don't know whether it is a legit way. So I'm not teaching you that as of now. I have to find that way, whether it is a legit or not. But in general, you can always say this is video, this is about video, this is about editing, this is about DaVinci Resolve. And don't worry about it. Don't worry about the spelling and all much. It's just tag and the YouTube will search accordingly. Oh, this is about YouTube, this is about creating, and this is a how-to video. How-to videos are generally searched. So this is how to do editing, kind of. This is, you can put your channel name also. This is Jimmy video, Jimmy sir video, Jimmy. My channel name is Jimmy, so this is Jimmy video. This is about some stock videos. If someone is searching for free videos, it is for this about. If someone is searching for Mixkit videos, I can say Mixkit videos. I can say Mixkit only. So this way you can keep on adding the tags. So these tags actually help in searching it. So let's say if I add CBSC, this means that if someone is looking for a CBSC, say if someone types CBSC maths, let's suppose, then he will be able to, this video will be suggested to him because this is having a tag as CBSC. You get the point now? So anyone if is typing DaVinci Resolve, now this video will be suggested to him because you are writing DaVinci Resolve. You get it? Okay. So this is how you do it. Okay. Language and all you don't do worry about it because you are not into that. Okay. So if you're adding some video language or something different, some background audio, you can again go and click and use this. But we are not doing all this. You're not telling which language. If you want to say which is the video language, let's say you want your user to know that you are only talking in English. So you can say English. Let me just do it for you. So let me wait, English India. So I am using a language which is English India. So my accent in this video is of English India. Let's suppose. Now, okay, now you have the recording date. Do you want to add the recording date when you did record this video? Because the video will be shown to the people as the upload date. It will not show the recording date. Do you want them to show this? If you want, you can add your recording date. I don't want as of now, so none. Do you want them to see where you recorded it? You want to let them know you recorded at India? Like this is done mostly for vlogs in traveling one. So when you do the traveling, no, you should add this. Why? Because it increases your searchability. Now someone is looking for videos from India. You type India, your videos will be suggested. You are in India in New Delhi. You type New Delhi. Someone is looking for New Delhi videos. You type New Delhi. Even wherever you recorded this video or wherever this video is about. So this is mostly in travel videos. If you are going say to Germany or say France or somewhere else. Okay. So you can type those city name, country name, whatever. Okay. Now this is your standard YouTube license. Standard YouTube licenses means no one can use this video without your permission. If you put Creative Commons, then this video can be used as a teaching video in another videos. You get the point? So I'll teach you more about it in the copyright cases, but for now just understand that if you say Creative Commons, then it will be shown to the people that this is a common video and I can take this and use it without any copyright licensing issues. But generally we go for standard. You want your content to be unique. Why you want someone else to use it for any purpose? Unless he specifically asks you for. And then you say yes, you can use. Correct? Okay, this is the most important part, category. This helps your video to be searched properly in the correct place. Now generally if you are, let's say I am making a video which is mostly on education. So I click on education. But suppose you are making a comedy video, you should select comedy. Most people do what? They just go and put anything here. They don't care about this thing. Now YouTube is like a tree structure. It has a tree structure. Now it will show, okay, this is a film animation video, so let it put here. But you recorded like education. People are searching for education, your video is in films and animation. What is it doing there? What is it doing there? Nothing, no? So always remember the correct category is the most important point for your video to be available to the people when they are searching for that kind of thing. And this is how YouTube shows it to the people. You get it? So now I'm not watching to the chat just because this is a very exhaustive options and I need to tell you every single detail. Correct? And this is the same question people ask me every time. Sir, how to increase my channel's reach? Sir, what to do my channels? How to gain more subscriber? And now am I telling you this is how you gain more subscriber and no one is listening to me. Weird, no? Yeah? How to be motivated? You watch motivation videos rather than actually going and studying. Okay. So this is education. Now you want to hold some inappropriate comments, like someone says very bad language or someone like, this is like bullying, cyberbullying. You say yes, hold it. So YouTube has some algorithm, it searches for those words and it just removes it. So it won't show you that comments. And then you sort, then you say, you want to show the viewers, do you want to show how many people like and dislike the video, or you want to hide it? Some people hide it. They don't want their videos to show how many dislikes they've got. You must have seen, yeah, in many videos people start to dislike. So if you tick this, if you untick this, then this will not show like and dislike. But if you have this tick already, it is going. Done. Any doubt so far? I'm reading the comment now. So, but if we speak in Hindi English, then how do we choose English and Hindi languages? Ahana, there is no need to use any language then. Just leave it beta. Okay. Sir, how can we change language in our channel? You cannot change language in your channel. You can add the subtitles for any language. It's a very different class. It's another option, not here. Okay, how to cut half picture example, one side which we are making and second side our face. Varsha, I think you need to do this video editing there. This can be done into video editing. You have to create 2 copies of the same video on the timeline beta. For one video, you take the half picture and the other, and then you shift the 2 videos, that part. You get the point? So you do copy paste the same video twice. One video you cut half, the other video cut the other half, and then you arrange them together. Done. Okay. Sir, whenever I turn on comments and post my video later, when I see comments are turned off, what is the solution? Your comments are turned off basically because you have corrected that this is for kids. I think so. If you click on it is for kids, it will not show comments, even though it is allowed comments. How to put banner? Maybe not in this class. When I'm going to teach you how to reach and all that. How do I Casio cover of a song? So will it be copyrighted? No. Any cover of any song is never copyrighted. It is your original content. You're just using that sound. You're using that music, not you're using the same video. You cannot use the same video. You cannot use the same person in your video. You get the point. If suppose I go and sing a song, which will be very bad because I'm a super bad singer. But suppose if I do that, then it is not a copyright because I just sing it. It's in my voice, it's my way of expressing it. So it's not a copyright ever. It's a cover. How to add caption? That's the point. So you go here and you can add here caption, the content. So you have to add the subscription and you can now upload from video elements. It will be coming here in this part. So wait for it. Okay, please can you explain again? I never explain anything again. This is why I always focus on explaining once, and now you have to go back and rewatch this. Don't expect this from me. And if you want to dislike, you can dislike it for that. Sir, if I use picture of original singer in intro, would it be copyrighted? No. If you are using a picture, it's not copyrighted unless you are using it like the copyright image, but it is okay. It is okay. Sir, which app can be used for making thumbnail? I will tell you, Gulshana. Like, give me some minute. Sir, if a video for everyone, when we select not made for kids, can kids still watch it like on YouTube? Not made for kids, yes. They made for kids means specifically they will show in video kids. You understand what happens? If I click on it is for kids, and if I said something bad, the kids will watch it because YouTube will recommend it. That's why you should not do that. You say no, it's not for kids. So it will show to the everyone, not for kids. So specifically it will show it. Okay, you get the point. Sir, I record with V-Recorded app, it is okay. I have never heard of it. Seema, if it is fine, then it is okay. Any app is just have the same functionality. See, the fundamentals never change. You're recording something and you're editing something. You use any software, any tool, I don't care about it. You want to cut a bread with a knife or a sword, you use that. Use that wisdom. You will use a knife or a sword to cut a bread or a cake. How can we make thumbnail on phone? If yes, how? Okay, you can use some apps, but yes, I won't suggest you. How to compress large files to smaller? That's the thing I will be teaching you today. Aram sai. How to put descriptions? This is how I did it. Description details will come in the next video. What is end screen and cards? You are asking something which I haven't even touched it. And can you please stop it, Ajitesh? End screen is here. It will come, but wait for it. What is Mixit Kit videos? Watch my previous videos to understand what is Mixit videos. This is the second class after that. So we can use Adobe Photoshop for thumbnails. You can, yes. Hey, you can use any photo editing app, any video editing app or something like that for creating your thumbnail. This is such a small question to us. Canva. So finally someone put it what I wanted to tell you. Yes, Canva is a place where you can go and you can create your thumbnail. Super. Yes. Free. Okay, whatever I have taught you is free, correct? So this is a place. You just have to click sign up. Okay, mostly the things are free. So you can go and create your YouTube thumbnail directly. Such a cool step. See this. I'm on Canva. This is how I used to in the initial stages. Let's say I have got this picture. It looks so clean, no? The thumbnail is catchy. I am going to use this. This is free, okay? This is free. So I'll just go double click it and I'll say this is my first video. So this is video editing. Done. I got the thumbnail. I just have to download it now. I want PNG or what? PNG is fine. What size I want? Okay, I have to sign in, and pay and download is not point. Premium image you are not getting, okay? So what I will suggest is go for this simple one, okay? So you download the free watermarked one. It's okay, you use the watermarked one as of now. I got this image. Let me show you. I go to this thumbnail. I can click on upload thumbnail and I can come. Oh man, I have to verify my phone number. I didn't do that. Sorry. So I won't be able to add my thumbnail. I'm not going to verify my phone number here. You people will go crazy calling me. So I'm leaving this part. But yes, you will verify your phone number because this is a new this thing, and video thumbnails are a very subject to weird behaviors. So YouTube wants me to do this. I have not done it before. So if it asks you, you do that. Okay. But yeah, you can always edit. You can always inspire from this page. Okay. You can always see which one will look good. Say this puppy looks so cute, no? So video editing, hey, how it looks, video editing now. See, now the Canva has already put everywhere this, okay? So now you see this is video editing. This only will show the Canva here, which you can remove, but it's fine. You can use Canva. You just sign up, okay? And you can take the inspiration. You can create a similar design in some like Paint or simple any photo editing. Any basic photo editing app will work, okay? So don't worry about it as of now. Okay, this is done. We are done with this. Let's come to video elements. Okay, you can add subtitles. Okay, you know what is subtitle? When you are, let's say you are uploading a video and it is in English. You want it to be present in Hindi also, or you want to show the people, hey, I'm talking in English, but can you read Hindi also? Or maybe you're talking in Hindi and you want the English speaking people to understand. You can type everything. It's a very tiring process. You have to type everything. You have to sync to the correct point. When you speak, that only that letter should come. So I'm not teaching you this, but yeah, this can be done and it's a very, very long process. Now I can tell you what it is. So what if this video, if I play, okay, I'm saying something here. So I have to go and type, hi, this is my. Now I cannot add more thing. Why? Because see this, hi, this is my. What? Now I have to click on add. First video. See this. Now if I go and play, how it looks. Hi, this is my first video. Do you see? This is how you keep on adding it. The subtitles. I'm not doing it, so I'm closing it. Okay. Now you can add end screen. Now you can add import from video. There is no other video, but later on you can. So you can click on add. Now here is where all of the people were asking me, hey sir, how will I add the subscribe button? How will I add the subscribe button? So here is the point where you add the subscribe the subscribe button. So there are many ways of doing that. So you can have a one video and a one subscribe. Now this video can be selected like in 3 different ways. Listen to this carefully. This is one of the ways to reach to more audience and to make them play more of your videos. So you want them to see your most recent upload, or you want them to see your best, whichever YouTube think is best. Maybe your most watched video is shown here. Or you want to show them a specific video from your own original videos or any other video on YouTube. Your choice. You can even let them watch another creator video. Your choice. Again, your choice. But since we haven't uploaded anything before, it's not showing us anything. So I'm not doing that. So rather than that, I'm saying best for viewer. And this is the place where it will give me the subscribe button. This is the place where if the person can click, he will find a subscribe there. So now if he clicks on subscribe, now at this stage, this subscribe thing will pop up and he will be able to subscribe your channel. Now you can place it anywhere. You cannot overlap, of course. So you can place it anywhere. And this is where it will show you where you want to start, at which point of the time. So let's say I want them to start at this point. No, I want them to start when this leaves come. At the very end. Maybe you can just shift this, okay? At the very end. So I bring it here and I say, hey, I want not my video to show it here. It's fine. The video is good. Now the video is about to complete. I have done saying things. And before I exit the video, I want my the viewers to become my subscribers. Now this will be showing to them. Hey, can you please subscribe? And this button will show up. You got it? Dhwani, you can use the mobile. It will tell you how to do that when you will put your mobile phone number. Okay, so now you see it will show you. Now you can click on save and you get the subscribe button. Most of you were asking me for that. Cards is something very different and I'm not taking it into as of now. Not required for you. But yeah, you can use them later on. Visibility is something which is most important part of it now. Listen carefully now. How to delete a video, I'll show you that also, Savita. Wait for it. Okay, now visibility. You people have this habit of destroying before creating. Why so? Huh? Be the creator, no, not the destroyer. This is basic human mentality, to destroy. Okay, now you see they are giving you two options. Do you want this video to go out? I mean the save and then publish. Do you want it to be like public? If you want say public, the moment you say public, it changes to publish. Now publish means it is going live directly. You get the point? Live. It's there on the channel now. Or you want it to be unlisted. You want it to be there, but you don't want it to show it this date. Maybe you want to upload it later. Like you want to let them see later. Or you don't even want anyone to see it. You want only few specific people. Like say you uploaded a video using unlisted. Okay. Listen to this carefully. This is the most important part. You uploaded a video which is unlisted. At this stage, if you share that link, this is the link, you can copy from clicking this button. And if you share this link, anyone with this link can only watch your video. But no one will find this video in your YouTube channel. So good, no? It's there, but it is hidden. You get the point. But with this link, the person can watch. So maybe your first video is there. You are not sure. Hey, I'm not sure whether this video should go live. You want your friend or your say any family member to watch it first and give you the feedback. He is not in the same place. So just copy this link, paste it in your WhatsApp or any other messaging app and say, hey, can you use this link and open and see my video and give me the feedback? And he will do it. Then you can later on delete this video and upload a new one. And if he says, no, it's good, you can go again and change it to public and say publish. Very good, na? Private is something which is very, very, so even with this link, no one can watch it. This is like super private. This is yours. So someone has the link, but still cannot watch it. You have to add their email IDs. So you have to add, hey, Jimmy sir has to watch it. Let me add Jimmy sir IDs. Practically@gmail.com. Now only Jimmy sir can watch it. And whether you want him to see the email that you have shared with him, you can say notify via email and you say done. And I will get an email. Hey, someone has shared one video and he wants me to see it. You get the point? With this link, if it is in general public, it won't be allowed unless you have added their email IDs. You can add multiple email IDs here. Private is super cozy to you, something which is yours, which you are only controlling. You are saying which one will watch. Unlisted, fine. It's not shown to everyone, but it is shown to people who have this link. Okay. Public, everyone can see it. I hope you got this far. Okay. So at this stage, if I click on publish, it will go. If I click on this, it will just be saved. Again, this will also be just saved. Schedule. If you put it, like say, suppose you recorded your video today and you feel like, hey, I recorded it today, I uploaded it today, but I want it to be shown on say 10th of May. Okay, today is 5th of May. Let me show it on 10th of May. So what do you say? What do you do? Okay, those people who are asking the copyright thing from so many times, there is this thing. This is in a separate session. And I'm not going to repeat it again. You get it? So stop it or I will stop you. Okay. Now, at this stage, scheduling is very important. Now, if you say, I want this video to be published on 10th of May, I want it to be published at say, so remember this is a 24-hour clock, not a 12-hour clock. So if you say 8:30, this is morning 8:30, but you want it to be at 8:30 p.m. So this should be 20:30. So browse to 20:30. This is the evening. Time zone you can select, but it will taking your normal zone, this Indian Standard Time. You can see the time zone if you want to. Okay. Now you can say this is schedule and it will be fine. There is one important point which is there in both of them. There is thing called set as instant premiere or set as premiere. Now these two have the same way. Publish means you will upload it and the premiere will come. Okay, wait. Okay. Fine. So listen carefully. Someone else got timeout. Now, what happens in this stage is if I click on set as Premiere, do you see people think that this is live, but it is not live. It means Premiere videos you cannot go back. So if it starts playing at certain time, it looks like a live. It's a virtual live or a false live. So you cannot go back and watch it unless it is completed one round of it. But for first time it will shown as if it is a live. So people do it so that the audience is stick to them and they don't want to like go ahead or go before the video. They have to watch at the same speed. People do it and it's a good way of doing it. I want my video to be published and I'm going to do it for the first time. Let's do it. My first video going publish. Now I clicked on publish. I got this video and now I can copy this link and I can share with my friends. I can put it on my WhatsApp status. Hey, I've recorded my first video. That's my first video. It's on my WhatsApp status. People go and watch your video. Or I can click on this link and see my video is up there. It's a 1-minute video. It is up. I see all the resolutions here. Video processed completely. And now I see it. It's going up. And you see this hashtag coming out. See this how the hashtag is coming out. Hashtag editing. Hashtag DaVinci Resolve. I'll show you something very beautiful. If I click on hashtag DaVinci Resolve, it starts to show me all DaVinci Resolve. Can you see this? This is how your video will reach to many people if you use the correct hashtags in your videos. Now see, all the videos that I'm seeing are all DaVinci Resolve. They have DaVinci Resolve everywhere. Can you see this? So your video must be listed in the same thing, but obviously there are so many before you, so many views before you. So that's why your video will be shown at the end, and as soon as it starts to gather audience, as soon as it starts to show a lot of people are watching it, more about it later in the next session, your video will start showing in the top part. And yes, you can learn from DaVinci Resolve. You get it the point? This is how your hashtags are very important and you can use only 3. So use them judiciously. You get it? And this is where the first, see this is showing me learn basic video editing using DaVinci Resolve. Hit subscribe for more such videos. Follow us on, okay. Now you show more, Instagram, this and all. And yes, you can go ahead and do that. Fine. This is done. My first video is up and this is not learn editing, but yeah, I taught you editing. So it's fine. I just explained this part. Looks cleaner, looks beautiful. 1-minute video, but up. Okay, now you can watch and listen to it and how I modified the audio. Go and you should now listen to it. It's live. It's now from my computer into the world. Such a happy feeling, isn't it? Now your own thing which you spent days on it, recording it, editing it, is now into the world. Many people are going to watch it. Enjoy that thing, man. Okay. And now just let me tell you something lastly more important. Now suppose your video somehow, okay, this is live, this is gone. Somehow your video was very big, very heavy. Like it was like say 1 GB or 2 GB. And you don't have that much of space on your internet. You are using some mobile hotspot and you have like 2 GB and full day. You cannot spend 2 GB on just uploading a video. How will you watch it later? Wait for 1 day? Don't do that. So here is the trick. Use Handbrake. This is a software free. Again, I am telling you all free softwares. Okay, I'll show you Handbrake. Handbrake. Type Handbrake. This is different break. This is not BREAK. This is BRAKE. This is an open source, same like OBS. You can download Handbrake and now you see how it works. Handbrake gives you this feature where if you drop a file, so I'm going to use some other file, okay, to show you its power, okay. Let me show you the power where all of our videos record. See this video is 2.5 GB. All of you watch it. If you can't, let me show you again. See, the video size is 2.5 GB. Okay, very big, super big, isn't it? Let me just compress this file. Let me drag, bring it here and drop it. And now it will ask me, I'm going for this chess one today. Okay, now first of all, please change this to MP4. Wherever you want to put it, you can go browse and put your choice. I'm putting into test videos and all. Okay, I can go browse and I can say, hey, I want it on desktop, my desktop. I want the name as fine. I'm not worrying about name. Let's say compressed. Okay, I want this as MP4. Yes, I want this as MP4. How you want this? Do you want a 1080p or you want to change it? You go, you say general and you want a 720 pixel very fast, means it will be very fastly compressed. Fast is okay, do fast. Do either 1080p or 720p. Done. Now listen. Wait. Now listen. This stage, you have to go to video. Remember this 22. The lower the number, the higher the quality and the bigger the size. Listen again. The lower the number, the higher the quality, the bigger the size. So, don't reduce it to less than 18. Placebo is like the super quality. So, 22 is good, 20 is fine. I'm keeping it at 22 only. That's a good. Use this H.264 video codec. Use this one. Don't change anything. Go to audio. This bit rate should not be less than 192. Keep it at 192. Okay? Keep it at 192. Video is this, 22. Audio is 192. Everything is fine. Don't do anything else. Don't do anything else. For you, it is totally fine. Click on start encode. And now, have patience again. Now, it is doing that. It depends on system, how much powerful your system is. It depends on the file size, how much big the power size is. Big the power size, what I'm saying. How much big the file is. Okay, so how powerful the system is, how big your file size is, and accordingly it will take that much time. The video was very long. It was more than an hour video. And therefore it will take some time, and this is where I did a mistake to encode this one. And the best thing about Handbrake is it never reduces your video quality or your audio quality. You won't even realize anything has changed except for the file size. For the time it is decoding this, let us believe that it can finish in 12:30. Now I can go and read your comments. And I can answer some of them. So you have a strong SDD, that's good. It's SSD beta, but it is a hardware storage, it's a storage device. Sir, I uploaded a video, sir. I choose not made for kids. Return the comments off, sir. How to enable it? Hey, I don't know why did it do that, Shekhar. That's the weird thing. It should not do that, actually. So you have to mail me that screenshot of your settings, whatever settings you have put. Kaushik, sir, if we get Creative Commons, then that can someone hack our account? No, no one can hack your account. Just get over it. Okay, get over it. How to community in the channel? Community is different. I'm not teaching you in this class. That's a separate class. Okay. Sir, if we get Creative Commons, then no, it's repeating. Kaushik, stop it. You're typing the same question, beta. Where is element present? Oh, which element you're asking now? Dhwani? Add element. Oh, this is like in the second one. In element, you get that different kind. You want a playlist and a subscribe. You want a playlist and a video and a subscribe, like that. So it's an element. How to make a lyrics video? Hey, Supriya, how you're planning to make a lyrics video? Do you want the lyrics to move? You have to use some other app for that. And then you have to record your voice over it. And you have to record that screen when it is moving. So that you can do. So you can play a song, mute it, let the lyrics move. If you are doing that, I'm not getting what exactly lyrics video. How to get more subscribers? Hey man, I taught you so many things today and you are not getting it. Properly putting title, properly putting video descriptions. Next class is all about it. Which app? Supriya, you have to find some app which plays videos and shows lyrics. I'm not aware, I don't use lyrics apps. Would it be a copyright violation for lyrics or dance videos since they use whole song? No, it won't be. If you are like dancing on a song, it's not a copyright. You get the point. If you're dancing on a song, it's not a copyright. You are using it as a means to like this thing. Okay. So YouTube has disabled my comment permanently in a video, even it is not made. What to do? Please reply. Ahana, that's a very special question. I have not answered. Okay. So there is this one person who is just troubling me a lot. Can you please block this Demons Rise Gaming? I request the moderators to block him away. Okay. Because continuously you cannot ask the same question. Okay. Okay. Pranav Prasad, Varsha. How to screen recording in YouTube? Screen recording in YouTube, you don't do that. You do OBS screen recording. I taught you in the last class. Watch that video. So can we make part 2 and make YouTube it to suggest under part 1? No, I don't know. How should we give correct hashtag? This comes from the thing what you are looking is going to be searched most. Let's say you are making a video which is about cooking or making pizza. Now what is the people searching more? Hashtag making pizza or hashtag pizza at home. So you have to search in that search bar and see which is being searched most. And you suggest that hashtag. Then you click on that hashtag. Once, see, I clicked on DaVinci and it showed me that. Now what happens in that stage? Then you will be able to see a lot of hey, I'm stopping this one because it's taking a lot of time. It's a very big video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some small video in my life. Oh, 442 MB is good. Let me use this one. Okay, open source. So let me just use this one, okay? MP4. Oh man, browse. Desktop. Test 1. Put it MP4. Save. Okay, and audio should be 192. Wait, I'll read your comments. Wait. This is taking a lot of time. No, that's why. Fast 1080p is okay. Everything is fine. Okay, start encode. This will be done faster, I think so, comparatively. Okay, I'll come back to you. What is mail ID of Jimmy, sir? It is jimmy.practically@gmail.com. Sir, can you explain about bitrate clearly? I heard that the higher the bitrate and the quality will be more. Bitrate depends on a lot of factors. It depends on if you're doing a screen recording, a higher bitrate, or if screen is streaming, a higher bitrate will send a lot of data from your system, but it requires a very good internet so that your screen looks fine even at lower resolutions. If you send a lower bitrate, the screen will be distorted so much that YouTube won't be able to combine it properly and show it to the world. So a minimum bitrate is required. Bitrate discussion will be done when I will teach you how to do live stream. Very much. Everything I have planned in a very sequential way. How to stop download option coming? How to stop download option coming? I don't get it, Sarvi. I'm not able to understand the question actually. What do you mean how to stop download option? So how to download video from, hey, someone wanted to know how to delete a video. I want to teach that part before I forget. Okay, come back and understand how to delete a video. See, this video is not showing me because I didn't refresh my page. Now, once I refresh my page, all of you see this thing. Now, this is the video, okay? It's showing me now everything. This is available for you. Hey, 13 likes I got. Thank you. So, I click on details. I can again go and change a lot of things. I can add subtitles, I can add end screen, I can add cards. Cards I'm not teaching, by the way. So, this is how I can change a lot of things. I can make still this video unlisted. I can make this vanish, go away. Or if I want this video, let's say I want to watch, I can click on it. Or if I want to see how many comments it has got, let me see. Did anyone commented anything? Hey, sir, it's good, sir. Okay, nice. Sir, it's good, sir. Worst video ever. Thank you. Worst video. Very bad video. Got it? So see, I got so many kind of reply. Okay. Now I have seen. So it is telling me how can I reply. So this is telling me some smart replies. You have seen in WhatsApp. No, when someone says hi, it shows you, hey, what's up? Hey, hi, hello. It tells you. The same way YouTube also does. Leave that. You can always click on this and you can click delete forever. So how I deleted how I have to delete? If I go and move my cursor on this, I get 3 dots, click on it, click delete. Download is this place. If someone was asking me how to download your video, you can click on download, it will be downloaded. But suppose if I want to click on this, I will click on delete. Delete forever will ask me, hey, you sure about it? Are you sure? And I say, yes, I'm sure, which I'm not. So I click on cancel. It will take some time to delete, but it will be deleted in the end. You have to refresh after a few minutes. It's showing virtual camera in video capture because you don't have a webcam, Pawan, or you don't have a any other external webcam or your laptop webcam. That is why it is only showing you virtual camera. It is no use. From YouTube to gallery, I just showed you that how to download. You can click on this, download. Yes, Dhwani, you will only get the option of element once the video is uploaded. When you upload it, it will show you that element. It should come. Okay. How to stop viewers from downloading? Hey, that is a very different class. I don't know whether this can be done because there are many apps which can download. There are many websites which can download a video. So we can use for normal pictures chroma key. You can use chroma key for green screen and then you can replace it by any other picture. If this is the question you ask, Mandeep. So link of your video, my video, okay, I'll give you the link. So you can get the video link by clicking here, get shareable link. The link is copied, I can click on view, I can paste. How to keep description, next class. How to do live streaming, Monday. What promote means, maybe Wednesday or Friday. You people are asking me something which is beyond the spectrum of this video. And this is why you people never understand anything, because you ask something today which is not in this video, then you ask the same back thing before in the next video. And someone will be asking me, sir, how to upload video, how to add playlist in my next video. And when I'm teaching, no one is listening. Superb. Sir, which category will cube come? Bhavesh, you can put in any kind of like fun stuff or education also. If you are teaching it, you can say education. If you are not teaching it, you can put in like fun or like anything like which is like hobby or that kind of category. It must be having some kind of category or games like that. Stay in the present, that's the key. Absolutely correct, Smith. That's the key. Stay in the present, listen to the teacher, create patience and apply it. How to download? Again, I'm telling you, click on this video, click on download. This can only be done by me because this is my video. If you download my video, you are copywriting it. Bad person. How to upload video without anything in title? Is it possible? Teach me that. At least I need a dot. If you want to download video from YouTube to gallery, you have to use a lot of different websites. It's against the YouTube policy and I can't teach you. It's not legit. I think so. How handbrake is helpful? The problem is it's helpful once it is done. So I still need some 5 minutes to show you how handbrake is helpful. Manvita. So can we use Due Record to record in Apple? I have never used an Apple. I don't know it. I'm sorry for that. This is like, I am not like a pro tech person. Is my name Jimmy? It's a true name. How to make copyright or avoid? When you put a video as your standard YouTube license, it's automatically your copyrighted video and you are using it, no one can use it. How to avoid? Don't download any standard common videos. Time is up, beta. I'm waiting for my handbrake to finish that encoding so I can show you the power of it, that software. Sir, where can I see tags in your videos? Paras, you can see tags if you go onto a website. There are some websites which can extract tags. I can't teach you again. I don't think it's a legit thing. But yeah, there are websites which can extract tags from any video and it can show you what the person has put the tags in. Explore yourself. Sir, if you click made for kids, will it change to YouTube Kids? Yes, it will be shown to the YouTube Kids channel one, which has specifically for kids. And this is very important. You don't do that. If you have made certain videos which is not for kids and if you say it is for kids, you are going into big trouble. Sir, after uploading a video, if I think that I made a mistake in some part in the video, can I create that particular clip? Yes, Rishi, you can edit the video. I'll teach you that later on. You can always edit your video later on. Okay. Yes, we can. We can make editing. So here, suppose if I go, I'm just teaching you a little bit. Okay, Rishi, if that was your name. So see, if I put video editor, get started. I see this video, okay? It's uploaded, it's already there. Now I see, hey, I don't want this part of the clip. So I go here, I click on trim. I select that, hey, I don't want this part. First of all, wait. Why it is, wait. Okay. So I click here. I have to click on, split. Okay, sorry, I click on trim. So first click on split, then you have to select drag wherever it is. Split again. Wait. Why it is not becoming preview? I think this video is still not up for this. Wait, let me refresh. Wait a minute. Sometimes it takes time for YouTube also to show you that editing wala part, but let me just do it. So if I click here, okay. Okay, let me click on trim. It gives me split. I can go, it's not giving me this part. Okay, now you see I have created two splits. I can go and select that region. Can you see this? This region will be removed if I click on this button preview now. You get it? Rishi was asking me. So I click two splits. If I go on preview, click preview, it will be gone off, and then I have to click on save. It will take some time for YouTube to again reprocess it, but it will be gone off. How to get verified by YouTube is something beyond for now. You have to get like some subscribers. You have to be a very much good audience. There are a lot of factors to become verified. And then you have to write a mail to YouTube like that you are the original creator of it. So I think that is the whole process. Okay. Yes, those who want to leave, they can. But for those who are still want that to see the power of Handbrake, they can give me like 2 minutes. In 3 minutes, you got 29 subscribers. Hey man, I wish I would have that on my original channel. Isn't it? Leave that. How can I delete copyrights? You have to file counterclaim. You have to say that I use your video, but it's not in the wrong sense. Can you please take over your copyright claim? I really want that video to be available for teaching stuff, for this stuff. And if that creator is good, he will say, okay, I'm removing my claim. But if he is not good, you're gone. What's the original channel? I am not telling you here. So in my OBS, I recorded the video. I cannot see how to see. Okay. So please link in the video chat. So in my videos, I recorded the video. I cannot see it how to see. Okay. Shekhar, if you recorded any video, you always go on this file. You should click on show recordings. It will jump you to that folder. This is the folder where all my videos are getting recorded. My other teachers, every teachers. Okay. You get it? File, show recordings. Done. Hey, this is done. So now if I go and see test 1, can you see test 1? I'm going to see the properties. Can you all watch that size now? You see what was the size? 440 MB. The original video had a 440 MB. And this video is just 87 MB. No video, nothing was lost. Nothing was lost. No quality was removed. This is my original video which I started with. You will not see even a 1% change. I hope all of you have understood how powerful this software is and how everything can be done. Bye-bye. Okay, so to delete your copyright, I already told you. You have to ask your the person who has put the copyrights to remove it. Request him or find a counter claim that you cannot put the copyright. Goodbye everyone. I have taken a little bit more time today just to explain this Handbrake. I hope you all like this video and you're liking that video. By the way, like this video, this stream video, that is important also. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.